All right, for your phonics lesson today, we are going to talk about what is an open syllable. What does that mean? We talked about how a closed syllable ended in a consonant. I guess I should say it ends in a consonant. Ends in a consonant and has a short vowel sound. So something like public has two closed syllables. You can think of them kind of like this. Okay, it closes off with a consonant, has that short vowel sound. So an open syllable is in some ways the opposite of that. Instead of ending in a consonant, it ends in a vowel, and it has a long vowel sound. So the vowel says its name, A, E, I, O, U. Those are open syllables. So let's look at some examples. The word silent. Well, first let's think about how many, oh strange, sorry, my pen got, there we go, sorry, my pen was being weird. Silent, how many syllables is it? 2, silent. And then let's look at each of them. Say, okay, sigh. Does it end in a consonant or a vowel? Well, it ends in a vowel, and it doesn't have a short or a long vowel sound. Sigh. That is a long vowel, so this is an open syllable. If we look at the syllable lent, well, ends in a consonant and has a short vowel sound, eh, so it is not an open syllable, it is closed. Next one, frozen. How many syllables? 2, frozen. All right, let's look at the first one, fro. Does it end in a vowel or a consonant? It ends in a vowel. Does it have a long vowel sound? Fro. Yes, it does. So this is an open syllable. Zen ends in a consonant, has a short vowel sound, eh, so it is a closed syllable. Next one, lady. How many syllables is it? 2. Lady. Oh, my pen keeps doing that. Keeps switching to eraser. There we go. Lady. So first one, does it end in a consonant or a vowel? What ends in a vowel? Does it say its name? Is it long? Lay. Yes, it does. So that is open. Next one, D. Does it end in a vowel? Well, it ends in a Y. And remember, Y is sometimes a vowel. Listen to the sound of it. E. It sounds like a vowel. So yes, we count that as ending in a vowel. And it is even a long vowel sound because it says E. Even though it doesn't say its name, it says a vowel's name. So that is also open. That one has 2 open syllables. Remember, when Y sounds like Y, it's functioning as a consonant. If it says E or I, then it's functioning as a vowel. 2 more examples for you. Grocery. How many syllables does this have? Well, normally how we say it is grocery. So sometimes people say grocery. So depending on how you count it, it has either 2 or 3. Depends on your accent. But let's look at the first syllable. Grow ends in a vowel, long vowel sound, so that is open. Now, if I say this next one, 3, sort of blend it all together, that's just one other syllable. It ends in a letter functioning as a vowel that says its name, E. So that would also be open. Now, if I say it, grocery, This one is still open. This is an open syllable, but this one in the middle would be closed. That grocer, short vowel sound. Well, I guess it's more of a R controlled, not a long sound. Okay, one more. If we have radio, how many syllables does that have? Radio. That has 3 syllables. So let's look at that first one. Ray. Does it end in a vowel? Yes, it does. Does it say its name? Is it a long vowel? Yes, it does. So that's open. D is the second one. Does it end in a vowel? Yes, it does. Is it a long vowel? Yes, it is. So that is also open. And then O, does it end in a vowel? Well, it is a vowel, so it ends in a vowel, and then it says its name. It's a long vowel, so it is also open. So that has 3 open syllables. So words can have 1 open syllable, or they can have multiple. Remember, they need to end in what? End in a vowel to be open. And it needs to be a long vowel sound. So it needs to say one of the vowels' names. As you are looking in your worksheet for those long vowels, open syllables, make sure to think about, okay, how many syllables is it? And then does that syllable follow the rules? End in a vowel, say its name so it's a long vowel. And then underline that. You might just have 1, or you might have multiple syllables underlined or circled. And then make sure you also read it out loud, see how many words you can say in a minute, and then do it a second time as well. Good luck!